Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Beauty of the Foodie. My name is Cody. So pretty much on this channel, I'm going to be showing you everything foodie. So what I eat in a day, cook with me, grocery hauls, maybe even some vlogs if I'm feeling crazy. Today we're going to be doing a cook with me and we're doing zucchini fritters. Get a zoom in on them, cameraman. Delicious. They are so freaking good. They're fried and crunchy but soft on the inside, a little bit cheesy. So let's get into it. First, we're going to be using one large zucchini, 1/4 of a cup all-purpose flour. You can use gluten-free flour, almond flour, whatever you need. 1/4 of a cup panko breadcrumbs. You can use really any type of breadcrumbs. I just like panko because they're more like crispy and crunchy on the zucchini. 1/4 of a cup of nutritional yeast. Most recipes call for Parmesan cheese, but I'm trying to limit milk products and like just mostly dairy out of my diet, so I'm using this. It's like a vegan alternative for Parmesan. It tastes pretty cheesy and it's good for you. 1 egg, and it's important to whisk it before you put it into the batter, because if you try to like whisk the egg into the batter, it's just gonna like mash up into all the other stuff and make a mess. So whisk it before you put it in. 2 cloves of garlic minced, and 1 teaspoon of salt. First, we're gonna grate our zucchini. Be careful you don't chop your fingers. I've done it before. I'm gonna speed this up just because it takes a while and I have a pretty big zucchini.
Watch your fingers.
Thank you, cameraman. Okay, that should be good. I'm really down to the wire. Let's just get a little more of that. Okay, are we ready for the reveal? Wow. Beautiful. If you're ever like worried about how much to do or you don't know if it's enough, you should have about 2 cups of zucchini, and that's pretty much exactly what it made, so. Okay, so I have all my grated zucchini. So you're gonna get a bowl and line it with a paper towel. I usually like the cloth paper towels better because they're more like a cheesecloth and less paper towel-y. So you're gonna take all your zucchini, and even if you have more, like a little more than 2 cups, that's okay, because when you squeeze all the water of it, it'll like shrink down a bit. So it's kind of better if you do a little more than 2 cups actually. Let me get it all. My dad always makes fun of me because I'll scrape up every little bit of what I'm doing, and I don't like to leave like leftovers of stuff, but I can't get any more off this, so. Messy. So you're gonna take this and you're just gonna squeeze it until all the water comes out. Okay, so that was a technical difficulty, and I'm gonna have to wrap it in another paper towel. I guess you do need the thicker ones. Hold on. Rewrapping. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, baby. There's her juice. Oh God, yeah. That's the stuff. Paper towel is ripping, and that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Should have gotten a cheesecloth, but it's pandemic. Who's got that money, right? Okay, so I was a little worried about how that went, so I'm gonna pat it down again in this paper towel just to make sure I get all the water out. Because if you don't, they're gonna get soggy and it's gonna be really hard to like fry them and flip them. So I just want to make sure they're completely dry. Okay, they look perfect. Okay, so take the water out of my bowl. Okay, then you're gonna put them back in your bowl. Make sure there's no liquid in it. Beautiful, dried Zooks. Danny Zooks! Grease? No? Okay. Okay, now we're gonna start adding our ingredients. Oh my God, who are these? Where are these from? Okay, we're gonna add a little more. Pat some more. Don't be shy, add some more. Do you know that TikTok?
No.
That's because you're almost 30. Okay, there's Charlie D'Amelio. Maybe she'll watch this. I don't think we said her name right. Okay, now we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. Things are going really good. Do you wanna get closer? Okay, I like to add my wet ingredients first. There's not a lot of wet ingredients, but I'm gonna add the whisked egg in first. I like using these rubber guys because they get like every little bit out of it. It being the bowl. Then I'm gonna add my minced garlic clove. Yeah, baby, bam. Bam! Then we're gonna add our 1/4 of a cup of flour. Again, I'm using all purpose. Then my panko, 1/4 of a cup. Beauteous. Then our nutritional yeast, fake parmesan reggiano. Do you like that? And then a teaspoon of salt. Let me get out my salt cellar. Fancy. Teaspoon, teaspoon. What's a teaspoon? What's a tablespoon? Teaspoon. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Extra salty. That's good. Just amplifies flavors more. Then you're gonna mix all this up. Cameraman, stop drinking on the job, would ya? Okay. I think it needs another egg. Who made this recipe? Not me. I think I do 2 eggs normally, so really awkward. I missteered everyone. Oh wait, she's looking okay. She's looking okay. I just don't know. What do we think, everyone? Another egg? What do you think? Another egg?
I don't know.
I'm adding another egg. Hold on. Let's get a little... don't be shy. Put some more. No, actually. No. No, actually, they're good. Don't listen to me. 1 egg. Okay, so first we're gonna take our avocado oil because it has a higher smoking point than avocado oil and it won't burn it if I'm a good chefy. Just give her a healthy drizzle. That was a very healthy drizzle. And I'm gonna turn up the heat to like medium. Let my oil, you know, let her get hot. Just wait till it gets like really hot in there, you know? Yeah. Are you getting this chef shit? She's fucking hot.
So much for the no cursing.
Oops. Okay, I think it's like, it's hot. I feel, yeah. Yeah, okay. This is a very important step. Take this ice cream scooper. I mean, a regular one will do, but no, it won't. Because this... Do you get it?
Yes.
Like, okay. So you go in there. You take a little scoopy poopy. Hold on, let me redo it. I feel like these are like pancakes. Like, the first one's always kind of like, but we're going to try her out, you know? Okay.
Battery.
Is she low?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's get one baby in the pan. Oh my god, the sizzle! Wait for it, wait for it. Give her a little pat down. She's beautiful. Okay, so we put a few more in, and I think it's time to flip the first one. Oh my god, she's stunning. She's beauty and she's grace. She's Miss United States. Name that movie in the comments, if I even get any comments. I think I'm gonna flip another. Feeling good. Was this, you know what?
Look at that technique.
I'm feeling less confident now that I just did that. I don't know, is she ready? Fuck. Okay, well, we're gonna edit that out. Oh my god. I'm feeling really good about this. Like, I make these, but like, it's different on camera. Here we go, here we go. Oh, baby. Incredible. Beautiful. That's how it's done. Okay, so I put them on a paper towel after I fried them, and I'm just gonna leave them here to cool. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you how to make a super easy sauce. It's only 3 ingredients, and I think it goes like best with them if you like little spice. Okay, so the first thing I'm using is sour cream. I'm using a dairy-free sour cream, like I said earlier, dairy-free. It's from FOODIE, and I like it better than regular sour cream. And I'm gonna use sriracha and onion powder. So I'm just gonna do a healthy squirt of that. And then this I just eyeball because I feel like just how much as you want. I don't know. I might add more sriracha. Yeah, I probably will. I usually can tell by the color if it's gonna be good. Like, that is way too light for me. Not enough heat. Ooh, come on, girl. We're getting there. You can always add more, I feel like, so I always start with little amounts because you can't take away. That looks good. Should I add a little more? My cameraman is like, no, I'm gonna be feeling that in the bathroom later.
It's B-roll, Cody.
Okay, once your zucchinis are all plated, just gonna hit them with a little kosher salt. Ooh, Salt Bay. Bam. Done. Okay, now I'm gonna try one. First bite reaction. I probably should use a fork. I'm gonna spread some of my sauce on it generously. Okay, let's take a first bite. Ooh, she real saucy. Damn. You know, I really impressed myself. Like, I know I'm a good cook, but goddamn, it's fabulous. Okay, one bite, everyone knows the rules, but like 2 bites for me. Huh? How are you, Dave Portnoy? Okay. Wow. These came out great. I think everyone should make them. Let me swallow. Let's not be disgusting on the internet. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you make these, please post it somewhere and tag me. I have all my links below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Maybe put on the post notifications. And follow me on Instagram. It's @BeautyOfTheFoodie. I'll have everything listed below. And tell me what more content you want to see in the comments below. Thank you so much, everyone. Goodbye.